Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-450, 2020 to 2022? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford F-450, 2020 to 2022, houses fuses and relays that protect key interior electrical systems. It controls functions such as the power windows, interior lighting, infotainment, and climate control. The box ensures safe operation by preventing circuit overloads. It includes both mini and micro fuses for various amperage ratings. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford F-450, 2020 to 2022, manages high-power circuits essential for engine and drivetrain performance. It protects components like the fuel pump, cooling fans, trailer tow module, and powertrain control module. The box includes high-amperage fuses and relays for efficient power distribution. It ensures system integrity under demanding operating conditions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.